Hello YouTube viewers, this is War Robots Test Server version 3.9.0 package 446. It is 2018 April 28th and 29th, and here in this test server you will see the Bulwark. It was seen in previous test servers before. It's got a frontal shield that then turns into a special ability of energy shield, but then no frontal shield in the meantime, which then restores or regenerates when it goes back to physical shield. There is also the light weapon called Spark. It is 600 meters distance, so its range is 0 to 600 meters. Let's see if it's anything like the Zeus. Alright, and I placed it on a robot that only has light weapons. And the Bulwark, I put Embers, Dragoon, Zeus, and Trident on it, and let's see how they perform. I'm going to play rather aggressively so we can go through the robots rather quickly. Maybe what I'll do is I'll start with the Spark, because there's only one robot that uses the Spark. Let's give it a try now, and as I said, I'll suicide the robot and move on to another if that takes too much time. Now we're at the Dead City, King of the Hill. Patton is not a fast robot, so and no special ability, so here we go. We're going to try to get to where we can actually see some enemy. Now, most enemy in the tester are not that interested in capturing beacons and winning, but rather trying out the weapon. So what we're going to have to do is find that enemy. So we have a 600 meter range with a long lock on. Okay, so it's like the light version of the Zeus. Now another Spectre here that jumped and I can't get it. Oh, so it's being blocked by that Gareth shield. Okay, so here's someone who's going to try to get a beacon perhaps, so let's try to see if we can get at that enemy. Another Spectre. Oh, got killed now. Alright, let's try the Bulwark. Now you see that in its normal operation, it's just a physical shield. But there's a little glowing ball, and if we activate its special ability, it'll go into an energy shield where it'll stop rockets, missiles, and firearms, at least for a certain amount of time, and then I see the Trident is still firing 3 shots at a time, unfortunately. Can't target that Spectre yet. There we go. Oh, now it's... not very much damage being created by these level 8 Tridents here, fortunately. Okay, let's try to get a one-on-one enemy here. Let's do some corner. Let's do some splash damage. Now I'm better with this physical shield right now, because the enemy seems to be a pursuer with geckos, it appears. Let's see what happens if we have to switch shields. And let's see if it does damage. I'm going to switch to the energy shield, and let's see if I take Tyran damage. I don't seem to be taking Tyran damage, so maybe the physical shield is also operational when this special ability is active. Oh, now I'm taking damage. Let's activate this ability again. I am taking energy shield damage. I'm not sure I quite understand what's going on with this Bulwark. When the special ability is active, let's go with the Dragoon. Dragoon seems to have a lot of shooting potential here. I'm not sure if I understand what happens when I activate special ability. Whether there's an energy shield and a physical shield. I think there might be. And then right now it's just a physical shield without an energy shield. So great robot. If that's the case, that means that it has a temporary. Yeah. So it seems like I have a physical shield right now, and then maybe I'll intentionally activate the energy shield to see if I get. Well, I have an ember here, so there's no protection against that apparently. Oh, there's a physical shield. Sorry, the energy shield's being drained of some sort. Oh no, or maybe that blue bar is a physical shield. I'll have to see what others say about this. But yeah, it's a very interesting robot. Great ability. Two heavy weapons. It's great. Doesn't have the rush ability, unlike the Carnage, but it's still fantastic. So I'm not being damaged by that. What I think to be a Zeus, although I'm being damaged by the embers. Okay, let's try the ember myself here. 350-meter range. Funny noises and sounds. Maybe that's not so necessary. Kind of unpleasant. Okay, no more enemy. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching this additional War Robots test server. It's 2018, April 28th and 29th.